Welcome to Learn English with Stories Daily. Today is English listening practice for beginners. You will learn 10 useful words for a restaurant and then enjoy dinner with Sarah and Emma. Stay to the end for the quiz. Let us begin. If you do not understand every word, do not worry. You can listen many times. The more you listen, the more English you will learn. Are you ready? Let us start with our 10 words. Restaurant. A restaurant is a place where you sit and eat a meal. For example, they go to a nice restaurant. Repeat after me. Restaurant. Restaurant. Reservation. A reservation is a table you book before you arrive. For example, Sarah made a reservation. Repeat after me. Reservation. Reservation. Waiter. A waiter is the person who brings your food. For example, a friendly waiter meets them. Repeat after me. Waiter. Waiter. Starter. A starter is the small first part of a meal. For example, for a starter, Sarah has soup. Repeat after me. Starter. Starter. Main course. The main course is the big, most important part of a meal. For example, for her main course, she has pasta. Repeat after me. Main course. Main course. Dessert. Dessert is the sweet food at the end of a meal. For example, for dessert, they share a cake. Repeat after me. Dessert. Dessert. Fork. A fork is the tool with points that you eat with. For example, Sarah picks up her fork. Repeat after me. Fork. Fork. Knife. A knife is the tool you use to cut food. For example, she uses a knife to cut her food. Repeat after me. Knife. Knife. Delicious. When food is delicious, it tastes very good. For example, the pasta is delicious. Repeat after me. Delicious. Delicious. Bill. The bill tells you how much money to pay. For example, the waiter brings the bill. Repeat after me. Bill. Bill. Well done. You have learned 10 new words. Now, let us listen to today's story. It is Friday evening. Sarah and Emma are going to a nice restaurant for dinner. They are wearing lovely clothes. Emma made a reservation, so a table is ready for them. A friendly waiter meets them at the door. Good evening. Do you have a reservation? Yes, says Emma. A table for two, please. The waiter takes them to a lovely table near the window. He gives them the menu. Sarah and Emma read the menu. There is so much delicious food. For my starter, I would like the soup, please, says Sarah. And I would like the salad, says Emma. The waiter writes it down. And for your main course, I would like the pasta, says Sarah. And a glass of water, please. I would like the chicken, says Emma. Soon the food arrives. Sarah picks up her fork and her knife. She takes a bite of her pasta. She says, this is delicious. The two friends eat, talk, and laugh together. They are very happy. At the end, the waiter comes back. Would you like dessert? Yes, please, they both say. They share a big chocolate cake. It is sweet and warm. Finally, the waiter brings the bill. Sarah and Emma share it. Thank you for a wonderful evening, says Sarah. Thank you, my friend, says Emma. They walk home together under the stars. If you are enjoying this story, tell me in the comments. What is your favorite dessert? Now, let us listen again slowly. It is Friday evening. Sarah and Emma go to a restaurant. Emma made a reservation. A waiter takes them to a table. For a starter, Sarah has soup. For her main course, she has pasta. She eats with a fork and knife. The food is delicious. They talk and laugh. For dessert, they share chocolate cake. At the end, the waiter brings the bill. They share it. It is a wonderful evening. Now, let us practice speaking. I will say a sentence. You repeat it after me. Ready? We have a reservation for two. We have a reservation for two. Can I see the menu, please? Can I see the menu, please? For my starter, I would like soup. For my starter, I would like soup. For my main course, I would like pasta. For my main course, I would like pasta. This food is delicious. This food is delicious. Can we see the dessert menu? Can we see the dessert menu? Can we have the bill, please? Can we have the bill, please? Thank you for a wonderful evening. Thank you for a wonderful evening. Excellent. Your speaking is getting better every day. Let us remember our 10 words. Restaurant, a place to eat a meal. Reservation, a table you book. Waiter, brings your food. Starter, the first small part. Main course, the big part. Dessert, the sweet end. Fork, the tool with points. Knife, the tool to cut. Delicious, tastes very good. Bill, how much to pay. Well done. Now let us check your understanding. Question number 1. Who did Sarah have dinner with? Think about it. The answer is Emma. Question number 2. What did Sarah have for her starter? Think about it. The answer is soup. Question number 3. What did Sarah have for her main course? Think about it. The answer is pasta. Question number 4. What tools did Sarah eat with? Think about it. The answer is a fork and a knife. Question number 5. What did they have for dessert? Think about it. The answer is chocolate cake. Question number 6. What did the waiter bring at the end? Think about it. The answer is the bill. How many did you answer correctly? Tell me in the comments. Thank you for listening to Learn English with Stories daily. Keep practicing your English every day. Remember, small steps create big progress. Tomorrow, Sarah and Emma take a train for a day trip to the countryside. That is our next story. See you there.